For my Molise Primo, it has to be Polpi in Purgatorio, which means octopus in purgatory. And I truly believe it's an impressive dish to bring to the table. And best of all, it has very few ingredients in it, which really sums up the philosophy of Italian cooking. It's about the simplicity and the honesty of great classic Italian dishes. And it's these red-hot chilies that are going to provide that purgatory. Now, these are quite spicy. So by removing some of the seeds, we'll just take a little bit of that edge of the heat off. And of course, you can't cook a dish like this without a good amount of Italian parsley. It's that freshness, it's the color that Italians love. That's my prep done. Now it's all about the octopus. This is an amazing sea creature. And I know it's a scary looking thing, and that's why a lot of people don't cook it at home. But this is a super simple recipe, and I hope it encourages you to go out there and try it for yourself. Let's start cooking. Let it percolate and bubble and stew away in purgatory for the most tender, perfect octopus you'll ever try. Ciao for now. The passing of time, the magic has worked, and this just looks absolutely beautiful. It's such a great way to cook octopus. And what's in the bottom of the pan becomes the sauce. Just a couple of finishing touches, and then I get to taste. To finish off the octopus, really easy. A good squeeze of lemon juice gives it that final bright hit of flavor that almost all seafood loves. A little on the side, Italian parsley. Makes any dish look so pretty. And a final touch of heat with some thinly sliced chilies. Now that is a beautiful dish to bring to the table. Look at the beautiful color of that octopus and the way it's glistening from the olive oil. You know, the flavor is incredible. It is the little heat that percolates through, the freshness of that squeeze of lemon juice. But the star of the show is the tenderness of that octopus that never fails to amaze me.